ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है to take generation leap, Samruddhi Rohit to exit. The long-running Star Plus show ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है, one of most popular television serials in India, continues to make headlines from time to time. The latest media reports suggest the show is preparing to take another generation leap. This development comes at a time when the show has been facing challenges in maintaining its position on the TRP charts. Earlier, it was reported that the show was struggling with declining TRP ratings after enjoying many years at the top. Over the years, Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai has created several records and remained one of the most watched shows on Indian television. However, the current season, which focuses on the Abhira Arman generation storyline, has not been able to secure a strong spot in the top TRP ranking. Reports claims that the show is now outside the top 5, raising concerns within the industry. Amid these reports, new news suggests that the makers are planning another generation leap to refresh the storyline and attract the viewers. While an 8-year leap is currently airing on television, there is ongoing industry buzz about a possible 20 years generation leap later in 2026. This potential leap would mark the show's 5th generation. However, these developments are reportedly being considered only if the ratings do not show a steady, sustained improvement in the coming months. It is important to note that there has been no official confirmation from the channel, the production house, or the actors regarding the 20 years leap. The news remains based on media reports and industry discussion. As of now, the 8-year leap track continues to unfold on screen. Whether the rumored 20 years generation leap will take place depends largely on how the show performs in the coming weeks. Until there is an official statement, viewers will have to wait and see how the journey of Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai unfolds.